Form 2 Mathematics, Chapter 7, 7.3, Solving Simultaneous Linear Equations in Two Unknowns by Algebraic Method. Part A, Method of Substitutions. Recall what we have learned in Section 7.2. We learned how to solve the simultaneous linear equations in two unknowns by graphical method. Step 1 is to draw the two straight lines representing the two linear equations in two unknowns. Say these are the two straight lines representing the two linear equations. Then you have to write the intersecting points of the two straight lines and the coordinates of the intersecting points are the solutions. However, in most cases, only an approximate solution can be obtained by graphical method. And in these sections, we will learn how to use algebraic methods, 代數方法, to obtain the exact solutions. Algebraic methods include the first one, method of substitutions, 代入法, and the second one, method of eliminations, 消元法. 消有移除、消去嘅意思 eliminate， 元係未知數嘅意思係 unknown. First, we will learn how to use the method of substitutions to solve the simultaneous linear equations in two unknowns. Let's take example 1 to illustrate the step in using this method. For these questions, we have two equations. First, we label them as equation 1 and equation 2. Then we can choose one of the equations, say, from equation 1. Then we can make one of the unknown the subject of the equations. And here, we can choose x. So we have x equals 1 plus y. And we label these equations as equation 3. And step 2, we can substitute these equations 3 into the equation which is not chosen in step 1. That means the remaining equation, equation 2, to eliminate one of the two unknowns. Here, we can say we substitute or put equation 3 into equation 2. 將三式代入二式. And then for the subject x, we can replace by 1 plus y. So x plus 3y is equal to 5. And x is replaced by 1 plus y. And here we can get one equation, one unknown. And we can solve for y in this case. We have 1 plus 4y equals 5. So we have 4y equals 4. And finally, we get y is equal to 1. And step 3, after we obtain the values of y, we can substitute into the remaining equations. We can substitute into equation 3 to find the values of the remaining unknown. Here, we can substitute y equals 1 into equation 3. And then we get x equal 1 plus 1 equals 2. So finally, we can write down the solutions. The solutions of these equations is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1.